Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video about using your onboard calculator and using an ellipse. This time I drew a 38-sided polygon. I'm going to take my circle and I'm going to just have it snap to that center. Now we're going to click on it and make sure where the rotation's in the center. And we're going to use our onboard calculator again. We're going to pull it out. If you don't have it, I'm sorry. But 360 divided by 38 is 9.47. If we take that number, we can go all the way out and press copy, hit that delete for their angle, and hit paste. We need 37 because we already got one. It put it exactly where it is. Now, if we take this circle away, the ellipse away on both of them, I'll probably have to ungroup this one. And this would have a lot to do. So now if we measure it, it's not a perfect circle either because, well, it is, but it's measuring from here. So let's make it equal with 12.25. Now remember I made this one with a polygon, it's the same amount. But now this is made out of black. I didn't group it together, Control G. And if I hit P, even though one was made with a polygon, the other one was made with a circle, they're dead on. And if you see, they're just two ways to do the same thing. One of them might be a little easier for some people to make the sided polygon, but using the onboard calculator is a big deal. Now, Corel's rounding this off, but it's correct because Corel has extended it out. They're just rounding it off to show you. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.